Lippincott Connect gives educators the online learning solution they need to engage students and improve learning outcomes. With each course, instructors have best-in-class learning tools and resources to customize content to meet their goals. Lippincott Connect's high-quality, vetted multimedia content and customizable assignments allow educators to align trusted content with their syllabus and instructional goals. Assigned content then provides valuable feedback to students and key insights to educators. Data received from completed coursework in real time helps educators tailor their teaching experiences for maximum results and efficiently plan their instruction. Using real-time data, instructors can tailor their course based on student performance. For more information on the content and features of Lippincott Connect, please contact your Wolters Kluwer representative or email medical education inquiries@wolterskluwer.com.